Here's some big news coming in. Aryan Khan, Munmun Damecha and Arbaz Merchant have been brought back to the NCB office. Aryan Khan and two others have been brought back at the NCB office after undergoing medical tests. Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan among three arrested by the NCB. Aryan Khan and two others to be produced in court shortly from now. The NCB to seek custody of Aryan and all other accused. NCB wants to confront Aryan as well as the other accused with some arrested drug peddlers. Here's the information that we get here, that three of them have been arrested. They've gone through medical tests. Now they've been brought back to the NCB office. In a short while from now, they will be produced before court. In fact, Aryan Khan and two others will be produced in court shortly from now. And it's said that the NCB is all set to seek custody of Aryan Khan and a few others, only to confront them with each other and also to confront them with arrested drug peddlers. Divyesh with more on that. Divyesh, Aryan Khan, two others who've been arrested have gone through medical tests already and now they're back at the NCB office. They're going to be produced before court shortly from now. Do take us through the details. What next from here?
Nabila, as of now, it is Sunday. So on Sunday, there's a holiday special court which only functions till 3 p.m. But it could be that NCB officials would have communicated to the magistrate. So a video conferencing, they could be produced through video conferencing. But as of now, they've been brought back to the NCB office. We'll get more clarity on whether they are being produced today or they'll be produced tomorrow. But as of now, they were taken for medical tests after they were placed under arrest, and now they've been brought back to the NCB office. So there are chances that NCB officials communicated with the Metropolitan Magistrate and could produce them through video conference. But as of now, there's no clarity, exact clarity on that, whether they'll be produced today or not. They can be produced tomorrow also, because remember, the time of arrest, they have to be produced in court within 24 hours of their arrest. So they could be produced tomorrow morning as well. If they have been shown arrest today, this afternoon, they could be produced tomorrow as well. So as of now, there's no clarity. We'll need to speak to our sources in NCB on what is their plan on how the arrested accused could be produced. And remember, there are five other accused, 5 other detainees who are being questioned right now by the Narcotics Control Bureau, and they also could face action by the Narcotics Control Bureau. But as of now, NCB has shown only 3 persons as arrested who were taken for medical, while there are others also who could be taken for medical tests later, and then together all these accused could be taken to court tomorrow or could be produced via video conference today itself. But as of now, there's no clarity on that. We need to speak to officials from the Narcotics Control Bureau on what is their plan regarding production of the arrested accused in this rave party bust that has been carried out by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Nabila?
All right, Divyesh, for the NCB to have arrested Aryan Khan as well as 2 others, there should have been some significant evidence that they've had so far. Any word on the kind of drugs that they found? Of course, the quantity of it is of primary importance. What kind of quantity did they find, and where did they find these drugs on them?
Nabila, as of now, it is known that Narcotics Control Bureau officials had found MDMA, they had found mephedrone, they had found hashish, and they had found ecstasy amongst the persons who had been detained by the Narcotics Control Bureau. It is exactly not known whether what was the amount of drugs, which drug was found on whom. There were 8 detainees, of which 3 stand arrested as of now, but it is yet to be clear, because NCB hasn't issued any statement regarding that, whether who was carrying what amount of drugs, what was the role of each and every person. There are people who have been arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau in the past past, even when they haven't been found in possession of drugs, but their name has come up in as they were part of the supply chain for these drugs, or they had abetted the procurement of these drugs. So it is yet to be investigated. It is yet to be stated by the Narcotics Control Bureau on what was the exact role, whether these guys were in possession of drugs, whether they had consumed these drugs and these drugs had been brought by some other person, or these person were trying to peddle these drugs. That is also a question which arises. As of now, it will only be clear when the sections that have been applied against them are known or are stated by the Narcotics Control Bureau on what are the sections under the NDPS Act that have been applied against the three accused. It will only be clear after that what are the charges that these three persons have been booked for. Nabila?
All right, Divyesh, we believe that Shah Rukh Khan himself has been in constant touch with the NCB officials. He's been getting minute updates on exactly what's going on. Any word on his involvement or him trying to reach out to the NCB officials or anybody else to bail his son out?
Nabila, as of now, this is not clear whether, because Narcotics Control Bureau as a drug enforcement agency, they are not going to give any kind of minute-by-minute update to the families. The person is suspected or was suspected of being of carrying drugs or consuming drugs, and after that he has been arrested. Aryan has been arrested. So NCB would have informed that this person has been arrested, as any law enforcement agency informs the family regarding it, but before the arrest. But updates, they wouldn't share any updates with the family or even with the lawyers. The lawyers will be informed regarding the charges that they have been booked for. The family will be informed regarding the arrest if the arrest has happened, but the NCB wouldn't share any kind of updates, and any kind of communication from Shah Rukh Khan, that is yet to be known, because we are yet to speak to NCB officials regarding that. But that is not the procedure that happens. So regarding the minute-by-minute update, it couldn't be true that NCB was getting any kind of NCB was giving any kind of update as per the law.
All right. Stay with us, Divyesh. We do know that the Mumbai drug cartel probe explodes now, with the NCB arresting 3 of them. Medical tests being done on Shah Rukh Khan's son and 2 others. In fact, they've been arrested. Aryan Khan is almost the poster boy here of this entire episode, it appears. And after marathon grilling in the cruise, 2 of them, along with Aryan Khan, have been arrested at this moment. This is the development in this case, the latest development. That includes Aryan's close friend as well, Arbaz Merchant, and Munmun Damecha.